recently finished my post graduation in IT BA, and prior to that, I have 7 years of experience in IT, where 4 years as a business analyst, and I worked also as an associate product manager. So right now, I'm targeting is business analyst roles and product manager and product owner roles.
So product manager experience for how long?
3 years.
Was it in Canada or outside Canada?
No, it's in India. It was an HRMS product, and also I worked for insurance product.
So what did you do as a part of product management?
Research on the features of the product and then compare them with the competitive products, and then design wireframes and then document the requirements.
Like again, all the three roles which you mentioned, business analyst, product manager, product owner, all these are saturated roles because of high degree of competition. Product manager is a bit okay. If you had past experience, you can still get the job, but then most of the product manager positions here in Canada are in retail industry and insurance industry. Since you mentioned that you did have experience with insurance products in the past, you can still give it a shot, showcasing yourself as a product manager with insurance domain expertise.
Okay.
Okay, but don't go for BA or don't go for product owner. It's a very saturated space, so don't go for it.